Sammy Perkins steers, 16-1. Be one load of steers out of 90 head. Sammy Perkins, Wiggum, Georgia. Steers, 16-1. Home raised steer, sired by Angus. Sammy Perkins, Perkins Farm, Wiggum, Georgia, 16-1 steers. Be one load out of 90 head. Calf sired by Angus, black semi bulls out of predominantly Angus cross commercial cows. Cattle a little excited before feeding this morning. The cattle are real docile. Perkins Farm, 16-1. One load of steers. Be somewhere around 7 1/4, 7 1/2 at delivery. Cattle will be sorted according to weight. They're going to get them up and weigh them and sort them this week before the safe sale next week. Sammy Perkins and his son Leif Perkins, Perkins Farm, Wiggum, Georgia. Here's a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. Again, sired by Angus and black Simmental bulls, semi-Angus bulls. Perkins Farms, Wiggum, Georgia. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. Real docile. We're just fixing to feed them and they're a little bit anxious for the feed. Perkins Farms, Wiggum, Georgia. Perkins Farm, 16-1.